Learn Igbo verb for beginners. Ịbịa in present tense, future tense and the past tense. Present tense, Igbo, English. Number one sentence says, M na-abịa. M na-abịa. When you hear na before a verb in Igbo, it shows that that verb is in present tense. M na-abịa, meaning I am coming. Let's see it in future tense. M ga-abịa. M ga-abịa, meaning I will come. When you hear ga in Igbo, it means auxiliary verb for future tense. Something that will happen in future. M ga-abịa. Let's see it in past tense. Igbo, English. M bịara. M bịara, meaning I came. For you to have this bịa in past tense, you are going to put ra. You are going to put ra, re and ra, making it bịara. To change it in past tense. When you put ra in any verb in Igbo, it changes the verb to go into past tense. Number two sentence says, M na-abịa taa. M na-abịa taa. Remember, M is I, or me. M na-abịa taa, meaning I am coming today in present tense. Future tense says, M ga-abịa taa. M ga-abịa taa, meaning I will come today. Past tense, M bịara taa. M bịara taa, meaning I came today. Ọ na-abịa taa. Ọ na-abịa taa. Remember, ọ is a pronoun in Igbo, nnọchiaha. It represents he, she, and it. Ọ na-abịa taa, meaning he or she is coming today in present tense. Let's see it in future tense. Ọ ga-abịa taa. Ọ ga-abịa taa, meaning he or she will come today. Ọ bịara taa. Ọ bịara taa, meaning he or she came today. Ị na-abịa taa. Ị na-abịa taa, meaning you are coming today. Remember, ị in English means you. Let's see it in future tense. Ị ga-abịa taa. Ị ga-abịa taa, meaning you will come today. Ị bịara taa. Ị bịara taa, meaning you came today. Under past tense. Ha na-abịa taa. Ha na-abịa taa. They are coming today. Under present tense. Let's see it in future tense. Ha ga-abịa taa. Ha ga-abịa taa. They will come today. In past tense, let's see it. Ha bịara taa. Ha bịara taa, meaning they came today. Like and share our videos. Subscribe to our channel. Follow us for more. Bye.